Well, Sir Eric, curious ako, anong comment mo na parang napapanahon tumiming yung film,
Yes.
yung team ng film mo sa, I don't know, oh yeah, what's happening right now?
It could be just a coincidence, but then I don't believe in coincidences. I think just because this problem or issue has been deep-seated in our culture for decades now, and that Direct Gen was drawn to this story, it just means that it really has to be told talaga.
Away from yung project, like, eventually naging tribute sa mom niya. Ikaw, ano naman yung sa'yo, yung personal na takeaway mo from doing the project?
Well, personally, it's going back to my roots. I was actually there when it happened. Well, not on the bridge, but in Naga. I was 2 years old when it happened, and I knew all of these people. These people are my parents, my uncles, my aunties, and I knew exactly the world in which they lived in. So parang it's my offering to them to relive their experiences through this movie.
So parang one of the reasons you said yes to the project is parang also to pay tribute to them.
Yes.